Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about pointers, how pointer works. So actually I'll show you a code and I will explain you what is the purpose of pointers in Golang. And I am all assuming that you are already using Visual Studio and you are using your or whatever IDE you like, and you have already installed the Go and it's ready. So let me start writing the code and I'll explain you what I'm doing. So here what I will do is I will create two functions and I will show you how pointer works. Let me write. Okay, that's me. Now I will have my first function. Let me call that as, since I have two functions, let me call first one as 1. Then I'll just have a, b, c, d in that integer. And we can have the value for a, b, c, d equals to, let's say it's 0. Okay, so that's my first function. Keeping it very simple code. The second function would be, let's call it 2 and let's call it x, y, z. Again, okay, so here x, y, z, and we'll have a pointer int. I'll explain you what I'm doing. So in this I'll call integer. I will call that star x, y, z equals to 0. So what I did here is I gave a pointer to x, y, z. So these are my two functions. I'll have my main function. I'll explain you everything what I'm doing in this, keeping it as 1. Now in main function I called a variable I and said it's equal to 1. Now fmt I'm going to print that println initial or equals to, you can write whatever, comma I. That's first. Then I'll have to call my function. So what did I my 1. Now I'm going to print that comma I 2. And here it would be and symbol I. fmt dot println 2 comma I. fmt, now we can even print the pointer, let's say. Dot println pointer, call it as pointer or anything, comma, here it is and I. So the best part about it is automatically imported fmt. Okay, now go run main.go. Oh, what happened? What did I do? Hmm. Hmm. Yeah, there's an unnecessary bracket here. Okay, so now let's run this. See and run this. So what it did now here, pointer is giving me a value. Now what I'll explain you what here I did is, in this first I've created in this what I did is like two functions. So in that two function, if you see the second function, two in has an this thing where is it, yeah, star int. So I'm giving a parameter making that meaning that it takes an int pointer and the xyz pointer here in the function, that body, then that dereferences the pointer from its memory address to the current value at that address. Assigning a value to the dereferenced pointer changes the value at the referenced address. And this and at one, what syntax gives the memory address of I, that is a pointer to I. So pointer can be printed too. So that's what the value here it is. So you can change, if you see the one, it changes from the main, it takes whatever I have given it I, it already takes that by default. But whereas 2, it takes from the main function whatever value I have assigned, because that is the pointer is actually assigning to that value. It is not taking from the main. So this is actually the main difference in this. Whenever you have given a pointer will take to that main or the function in which it has been pointed, not from the main. So if you, that is the actual difference in pointer, and it gives the location too. I hope this clears that out. If you have any questions, suggestions or anything, do let me know. Please do like, subscribe to my channel, and I would definitely want you to see some comments so that I can improve too. Thank you.